Hey, welcome to BLACKPINK, and today I'll be teaching you how to play the ukulele lesson for the brand new BLACKPINK song Kill This Love. This is an awesome song. I'll be going through all of the chords, the best way to play it, like a breakdown on the chords, like all the melody and the little bits, the chorus, verse, bridge, every part of this song. So by the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly how to play this song. If you love more BLACKPINK, we've also done Did It and Do on the ukulele lesson, so go check that out straight after this video if you love that song, and subscribe to BLACKPINK and hit that bell notification to be told the next great upload. So the chords that you're going to need to play this great BLACKPINK song are D minor, A sharp, G minor, E minor, and F. If you really know how to play those chords, then skip right ahead, or if you don't, just want a quick reminder, then I'll be telling you how to play them right now. So firstly, at D minor chord, the main chord that we play for the entire of the song is first string open, second string first fret, third string second fret, fourth string second fret. At A sharp chord is first finger on the first two strings, first fret, third string second fret, and fourth string third fret. At G minor chord, how I'm playing this is first string first fret, second string third fret, and third string second fret. Open on the fourth. At E minor chord is first string second fret, second string third fret, third string fourth fret, and open on the fourth. At F chord is open on the first, second string first fret, third string open, and fourth string second fret. Okay, so that is all the chords that pretty much all the chords that we're going to need for this entire song. If you ever need to refer back, then just skip back to this part. So the intro, basically the main bit of this song is and that is our D minor chord. So down, you can even play it down, 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 down. So for the first bit mainly, like I'd go for like full strumming during the verse, but I'll get to that in a minute. So just this first bit, I would say down, 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 and then we come to this little lick thing. You can choose to do it if you want to. It is a bit fiddly. That is second string, like kind of pull off from the fourth to third string, then third string second fret, and do that twice. So slowly, down to down, down to down, 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 and again. And the next bit is that is slightly easier, I find, on the ukulele, and that's your third string going from the second fret to the fifth fret. So hammer on, second five, then play the open first string. So slowly, down, 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 down. So to speed. Obviously it takes a lot of practice for that lick, but you could just do the down, 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 if you want to, but it's, you know, it's up to you. Suppose you've got two ukulele players, one can be doing that bits. So, and then we go on to the verse, and that's pretty much the same thing without the twiddly bits and a bit different strumming pattern. So that's... and that's down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down. And then for the, well, the bits for the fiddly bits would be in, but aren't there anymore. It's just down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up. And then we come to the pre-chorus, which is it's a bit of a different strumming pattern. I'd say down, down, up, down, up, and that's for the play the A sharp, G minor, D minor. Down up on the E minor, then down down up on the F. If that was a bit fast for you, then you can rewind at any time, but I'll go for it now. So A sharp, down down up down, G minor, D minor, E minor, F, back to A, G, D, E minor, A, D minor, E minor, F. And for this last bit, the fourth time you do that, it's slightly different. Basically just goes from the A sharp, G minor, D minor, and just plays that D minor twice. If you want to play a bit harder on the ukulele because it's building up to that. Now we're on to the chorus, which the chorus, if you want to, like you could either just play it like we did at the beginning, down, 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 down. That's if you want to play just the chords. Or what I would do is like slide it to the 10th fret, and you kind of want to be playing the beats of that D minor, but on this, because basically you're kind of mimicking what the trumpets do. Dun, 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 dun. And then we come back down to the, and then the chorus you could either play it the same kind of thing on this 2nd fret of the 3rd string, down dun 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 dun. Let's kill this love. Or you could do how we did at the first bit. Let's kill this love. Then the little clicky bits. Or you could just do let's kill this love. Let's kill this love. It's completely up to you. Then we come to the 2nd verse, which you could either play exactly how we did the first one, the down, down, up. You can either down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, that bit, or you could do a slightly different variation, which is exactly the same strumming pattern for the first bit. So down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. But instead of doing the down, up, we just do one strum of A, which is open, open on the first 2 strings, 1st fret of the 3rd string, 2nd fret of the 4th string, and then F, which is just one strum. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. A, F, D minor. A, F, D minor. Then we come back into the pre-chorus, which again we all know is exactly the same. A sharp, G minor, D minor, E minor, F, A sharp, G minor, D minor, E minor, F, and then we just then it goes to the chorus again, which is and then we come to this kind of like this walk down. 5th, it like kind of goes 5th, 4th, 3rd on frets on the 2nd string, then 5th, 4th, 2nd on the 3rd string. So second string 5 4 3, third string 5 4 2. And then we finally come to the last bits of the song, the kind of like outro that it does vary slightly, which is just D minor, F, just D minor to F the first bit, so that's twice. So down, down, up, 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 D minor. And then it kind of pauses for a second, and the only real difference between this bit and the next bit is we're going to add one strum of the A chord. So that's just, and maybe they're like down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, very hard on the D minor, then down hard on the A, then to the F. D minor to the F. That's we all make love that kills you inside. We all make love that kills you inside. Let's kill this love for it kills you. Let's kill this love for it kills you too. Kill this love for it kills you. Let's kill this love for it kills you too. Or something like that. I can't really make out what they're saying in the song. So let's play along with the song and try to keep up. I'll be obviously telling you which bits to like when to change, just so you know, and where it goes along with the song. Down, 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 down. It's the intro. The verse. Down up, down up, down up. Still the verse. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. We go to the pre-chorus. G minor, D minor, E minor, F, H sharp, G minor, last bit, E minor, D minor, and D minor. Keep it going. Let's kill this. And that's a D minor, I'm A to F. And here we go, the pre-chorus again. D minor, E minor, F, A sharp, G minor, D minor, E minor, F, and last bit, A minor, G minor, D minor, keep it going, and let's go to the chorus. Walk down. D minor and F. Let's kill this love. Down A, F. D minor, A, F. And ends on the D minor. So yeah, I hope you've really enjoyed this lesson. Like if like say rewind any time you want, because it's a bit of a tricky song. Like it's really with the those bits are the hardest bit to do, as you're probably already noticing yourself. So make sure you subscribe to Planet Mark if you want to as well. Like if you want us to do a specific song, then become a supporter of our Patreon. I'll give you a shout out and do your song. Comment below what you thought of this lesson. The BLACKPINK do, or whatever it's called. Did it. That's on here as well as loads of other great ukulele stuff that's in the charts at the moment. So definitely go check that out for weekly Saturday morning ukulele lessons and guitar lessons as well. Subscribe to Planet Mark, hit that bell notification, like and share this video. Follow us on Twitter at PlanetMarkVlog or Facebook.com/PlanetMarkVlog. See you next one, guys. Bye 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 bye.